Enjoy fresh, clean air with the AROEVE Air Purifier MK01A, removing dust, allergens, and pollutants efficiently. Its quiet, compact design makes it ideal for any home or office space. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you find the AROEVE Air Purifier MK01A, HEPA filter, and user manual. Product overview. How to use. Place on a flat, stable surface in your bedroom, keeping it at least 20 to 30 centimeters away from walls or furniture for optimal airflow. Open the filter panel and insert the air filter, ensuring the arrows match the airflow direction, then close the panel securely. Plug in the purifier, press the power button, and choose your preferred fan speed or mode using the touch controls or the app. You can set a timer, activate sleep mode for ultra-quiet operation, or add a few drops of essential oil to the aroma pad for a fresh scent. Just remember to reset the filter indicator after replacing the filter. Maintenance. The AROEVE uses a non-washable filter that typically needs replacement every 3 to 6 months, depending on usage. When the filter indicator turns red, turn off and unplug the purifier, open the bottom cover, replace the old filter with a new one, and hold the nightlight button for 3 seconds to reset the indicator. Smart features. The MK01A efficiently captures dust, pollen, pet dander, and other airborne pollutants. Its layered filter system ensures cleaner, fresher air for your home or office. Operates at very low noise, allowing you to work, sleep, or relax without disturbance. Its silent performance ensures effective air purification without disrupting daily activities. Features a sleek, modern look that fits seamlessly into any room. Its space-saving design makes it perfect for bedrooms, offices, or living areas. The filter can be quickly removed and replaced, making maintenance simple. This ensures consistent air quality with minimal effort. Specifications. Safety precautions. Troubleshooting. Want to grab the AROEVE Air Purifiers MK01A from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your AROEVE Air Purifiers MK01A. See you in the next one.